I really became interested in research when I learned about cancer, and I remember the notion of cancer stem cell back when I was in undergrad. And I thought this is so cool. And I really wanted to contribute to this field and to test whether what are the cancer stem cells and what traits do they have and how can we target them. And that was really fascinating to me back then. And that led me into the field of cancer research. And now here I am. So we are trying to test a novel approach to sensitize acute myeloid leukemia to immunotherapy. So cancer cells frequently escape immune surveillance or immunotherapy by downregulating their antigen presentation process. For example, by downregulating their a molecule called MHC1, which mediates the antigen presentation to have the cancer cells be recognized by the immune cells. And what I propose to study is that I plan to test a class of small molecules called SMAP mimetics and test that whether it can upregulate the cancer antigen presentation, make the cancer cells more visible to the immune system, and that might enhance the efficacy of immunotherapy in acute myeloid leukemia. I'm very grateful for the PhRMA Foundation for providing me this support. And this would allow me to generate preliminary data that can shed light on therapy for acute myeloid leukemia and also generate preliminary data for future research and for deeper mechanistic studies. And this is extremely valuable, especially at the start of my independent career. And I'm really grateful for the PhRMA Foundation. So far in my research career, I think starting the lab and becoming independent is the most difficult part. There's way more responsibilities as a faculty member than previously as a trainee, as student or postdoc. And now I need to think about everything from the science to people management to recruitment and establishing the lab, like all the equipment and like reagent and collaborations with others. And to conquer that, I try to seek help from colleagues and especially my department chair, and they've been very helpful at MD Anderson. And they give me a lot of advice on, for example, research directions, resources in and out the department, and on recruitment and equipment and in multiple aspects. General career advice would be try to seek help from your colleagues who succeeded in becoming independent or succeeded in securing funding for their research. I also hope to nurture next generation scientists because they're the future, and it's also very rewarding to see junior scientists grow in my lab.